This is an instructional video made by University of Iowa graduate students for the Department of Health and Human Physiology. Throughout this video, we will demonstrate the proper techniques for measuring resting heart rate. There are 4 different methods of taking resting heart rates. These are radial, brachial, carotid, and lastly, auscultation at the base of the heart. The remainder of the video will demonstrate the proper technique for administering a resting heart rate test using the radial artery.
I'm Lauren, I'm going to be your fitness health professional today. Hi! Today we're going to be measuring a resting heart rate, and that is an important indicator of cardiorespiratory fitness. That's important because it lets you know how physically fit you are. Okay? To do this, I'm going to be needed to palpate your radial artery. To do this, I'm going to need to touch you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to be touching your radial artery, which is right by your thumb. So to do that, I'll need you to place your hand on the table, palm up.
Like this?
Yes, thank you. So I'm going to be putting my fingers right here, and we'll be timing for 30 seconds.
Using the pad of the middle and index fingers, palpate for the radial pulse. Start the stopwatch on a beat. The following beat is your first count. Continue counting for 30 seconds and then multiply by 2, resulting in a 60-second count to get the total beats per minute. The typical resting pulse rate in adults is between 60 and 80 beats per minute. Bradycardia is the term used to indicate a slow heart rate of less than 60 beats per minute, while tachycardia indicates a high heart rate of greater than 100 beats per minute. If the pulse is above 100 beats per minute, evaluate your client's recent activity for an explanation. He or she may have just ran up the stairs. Have a client rest quietly for 2 to 3 minutes and retake the resting heart rate. If the heart rate continues to be high, report this to your supervisor. A physician's referral might be appropriate in some circumstances.
Great, your heart rate is 65 beats per minute, and that's very good. Normal is 60 to 80 beats per minute, so you're right in that range. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.